Emva kwezinyanga ezimbili ashona owabe engumengameli waseZambia usezokwazi ukufihlwa ngesizotha. Inkantolo inqume ukuthi uLungu eyongcwatshelwa eZambia ngenxa yesikhundla sakhe emphakathini.
Even if a late president had expressed a desire not to be given state funeral, such a wish must be overridden by public interest. In line with this principle, the court in this case concluded that the government of Zambia is entitled to insist on a state funeral for the late president of Zambia.
Uhulumeni waseZambia wayisa lolu daba enkantolo kulandela ukuthi umndeni wakhe uthe angeke usise eZambia isidumbu sikaLungu kodwa uzongcwatshelwa kulelizwe nokuyilapho ashonela khona. Isinqumo senkantolo asehlanga kahle kumalungu omndeni kaLungu.
It's normal that people can be emotional when this happens, but I think it calls for people to cool down. When they are mourning, they will continue mourning like that until when we bury.
Uhulumeni waseZambia usemukele isinqumo senkantolo. Uthi uLungu akanalo igunya lokwenqabela abantu baseZambia ithuba lokumvalelisa okugcina njengoba wayengumholi kuleli yazwe.
We appreciate the judgment that has been given by the court. It's a sound judgment. If the family is not happy, they may appeal, but my appeal is that this is a man who was president of Zambia.
Lokhu kusho ukuthi ke inkonzo yomncwabo wakhe izobe yenganyelwe umbuso. Usuku lomncwabo belingakaqinisekiswa.